Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to see about the EV industry trends and market view. So let us detail discuss in the upcoming slides. So before going to today's topic, let us recap the things that you have seen in previous classes. So in previous session, we are detailed discuss about the introduction to EVs, right? So why EVs required? What are the things has been available in EV, like components and different types of V. So the basic introduction part has been discussed in the previous session. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the market impact, right? So first, why we need the EV? So the main problem is that polluted air, high fuel cost, and traffic noises and climate changes. So these are the problems that we need to address. So people need the clean and affordable transportation so that there will be no pollution and there will be no noise while operation, right? So for this, the one and only solution is the EV at present market, right? Even though we have fuel cell vehicle, it doesn't reach the market because of its safety issues. So, but this EV it reaches the market in a good way. Even though at present state some difficulties have been addressed, many researchers are ongoing in the area of EV in order to overcome their problems. So in upcoming slides, we'll detail discuss about the latest trends that has been in EV. It may be a recent researchers or a recent technologies. So the first is the battery technology advancement. So in the area of batteries. So now they are looking after the high energy density batteries, right? So with high energy density batteries, we can the performance of vehicle can be improved, and also a research has been going on the solid state batteries. So rather than replacing the conventional liquid electrolyte, solid electrolyte has been used in the batteries where we can achieve high energy densities. And the cost reduction and the localization. So as we know, many components in the battery has been outsourced from the other countries. So if we keep manufacturing the components inside or India, then we can certainly reduce the battery cost of battery. It directly reduces the cost of EV, right? And also by reducing this particular thing, we can reduce the cost purchasing cost of EV. Okay. And next thing is the expansion of charging infrastructure. Compared to the previous 5 years, we can say that the charging infrastructure has been improved. But this improve is not enough to enough for all the vehicles, right? So we need more expansion of charging infrastructures. So in order to meet out the demands. And also the main issue is the fast charging, right? So in conventional IC engine, we can if we go to the petrol refilling station, we can refill within a minute. But the same is not possible here in the charging station, right? So we need some alternative fast charging or the battery swapping or different kind of method, things can be adopted in order to make the customer to move towards the EV. And in the area of software, so updates, over the air updates, connected smarter cars. So these are the technologies blooming, and diversification of EV segments like EVs. We started adopting in buses in many cities, two wheelers and commercial EVs, where we can reduce some of the pollution related to IC engine in these heavy vehicles. And the sustainability and circular economy, where with the help of this EVs we can reduce the pollution. And also if we start using the renewable energy technologies, then even though this current is produced by means of power plant electricity, by producing through renewable energy, we can overcome the pollution which has been created by thermal power plant also. And also new business models can or has been made by like some leasing subscriptions, even government also giving some subsidies in order to attract the people towards the EV, right? So in this slide we'll discuss about the battery market or EV market overview. So the in global market, so if you take in the global market, EV has been adopted rapidly overall the world in the recent years. So high sales has been recorded in China, Europe, and USA. And the regional highlights include EV. Is the largest EV market. Europe is policy-driven growth, and USA rising SUVs and trucks in EVs. And At present day, the emerging markets is India, Southeast Asia, and the Latin. And in Indian EV market, the EVs adopting two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and growing passengers EVs. And market segmentation is that EVs adopted in two-wheelers, three-wheelers, cars, buses, and commercial EVs. So key market drivers is the fuel costs and subsidies and emission regulations. The challenges main is the charging access we need to improve, and battery cost also. If we started producing the even a small component battery in India, we can reduce the battery cost. And the future market outlook is the cost parity and the fleet complete electrification. So the mind mapping, the overall content of the content has been given a single slide. Okay, so in this video we have detailedly discussed about the EV trends and markets, and we have seen the global market and Indian market where how the EV has been bloomed, and what are the things that need to be improved in the future years. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.